There was a pond in a forest. The blooming lotus added to the beauty of the pond. All the animals of the forest used to come to this pond to drink water. One day, a hunter came to the forest. He saw the beautiful pond and thought to have rest there. He washed his hands and mouth and drank water of the pond. Thereafter, he sat on the bank of the pond. While sitting, he thought,
"The animals of the forest are sure to come here for drinking water. I can hunt an animal here and go home happily."
For this, he hid himself in a tree. After some time, a doe female deer came to the pond for drinking water. The hunter aimed at the deer with his bow and arrow. Suddenly, the doe's eyes fell on him, and she saw the hunter ready to kill her. The doe requested the hunter to grant her some time so that she could go and meet her children. The hunter took pity on the doe and allowed her to go to her children. He thought that he would get another animal. After some time, a deer came there to drink water. The moment the hunter aimed at him, the deer said,
"Oh, hunter, please do not kill me now. I want to meet my family, as I have not seen them since long. They must be worried about me. I want to go and meet my children. I will come back, and then you may take me to your house."
The hunter again took pity on the deer and allowed him to go. The deer went away to meet his family. Meanwhile, the doe reached her home and met her kids. The kids started to suck the milk of their mother. Just then the deer also came there and told the doe about the whole incident. The doe also told her husband about her meeting with the same hunter. They both were true to their words and went to the hunter to surrender themselves. Their kids also joined them. They reached where the hunter was waiting for them and said,
As promised, we are here. You may hunt us."
Hearing them, the hunter came down from the tree. He was very much surprised to see that the animals were so true to their words. He learned a big lesson from these animals. He thought that the animals were far better than humans. He felt that it was a matter of great shame that the mankind killed these innocent animals. He promised to himself that he would never hunt animals again. He left the deer family safe They became good friends after that. Moral: one should keep his promise.